Hello everyone, this is Jasmine Pinay here in Chicago. Today I'm gonna show you the beautiful nature that God gave us this to enjoy. See, during summer you can see here um, a lot of greens. These trees are gonna be so green, and there's a lot of wildflowers in here. And today it look like the trees are dead, but they are not dead. They just took the, what's it called, the leaves are falling. I love to go here on summer too, because you can hear the tweet of the bird and a lot of, the wild nature noise that you can hear over here. It's very fresh, it's very clean, and here they are. I want you to enjoy, guys, because especially the people in the Philippines who never been to this country or any part of the country, of the world. They wish to see the beautiful snow, they wish to enjoy. So nandito ako. I want you to enjoy this. Even hindi ninyo ma-feel ang snow, at least makita nyo ganito. It's 16 degrees right now, February 18, but it's sunny. It's still very pretty to look. See, over here, somebody is already here. The good thing is this is a forest preserve park, and look at the road. They cleaned that one so that everybody can come in to enjoy the Mother Nature. I love nature, guys. Soon I'm gonna show you different parts of the place, or different places that I went on summer and on spring, because I love nature. And here a lot of wild trees out there are falling. It's very pretty out here. Oh, see the snow? Is that pretty? I love it. Hope you enjoy watching this. Look, be clean up here. Here, I'm gonna show you this side. There's a pond over here that on the summer, everyone can go fishing out here, and also they can play on the side. A lot of people will do picnic here. It's kind of like the sun is so bright, and look at the sky. It's very blue. After the storm yesterday was so bad, start around 1 o'clock, and now look at the nature that God gave us to enjoy. Look at the blue sky and white here, white snow. Lot of snow. Is that pretty? Look how they try to protect. They put a guard on the trees. See that one? So that it will grow straight and It's very pretty. Thank you, God. The sun is out, and that's the pond right there. And I hope you guys enjoy, especially my relatives in the Philippines. Shout out sa akong cousin nga si Marvin Vlogs og si Abner, Lisa Manyusa, Jonah Pinyalas, anak ni Sister Eileen or Sister Eileen. So, and to all my subscribers, thank you, and I want you to enjoy here. So, here's the map of this. Here's the map, see? Here's the map of the park, as you see. And here are the different kinds of fish that they can get when they are going to do fishing here on summer. It was very pretty. On the summer and spring, I will come back here and I take a video how beautiful the wildflowers and the tweet 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 like that of the nature, different sounds of the nature. Here's the fish, different kind of fish that you can pick here on summer. And they have also the rules and regulation, what to pick and what size you can get. Okay, here they are. And when I just moved here in Chicago, I cannot believe that the fish will survive in the in a water that is negative, you know, that's that cold and ice. I can't believe that, but here they are. This is the fun. This is the fun. Sa to Bisaya sa pan kanang mga lake, kanang suba-suba nga gamay ba sa ato ano, mao ni siya. Sorry, sunny kaayo guys. And here, there's another rules that is prohibited, like deep water, steep drop off, wading, swimming, boating, ice skating is prohibited. Right there. And here they are. See the airplane? The airplane. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. And I want to get closer to the trees, but I want you guys to enjoy this. I hope you enjoy the same as me, because I really love nature. When back on the days I was in the Philippines, I really enjoy the nature. I grew up in the nature in the mountain area of Guindaruhan, Minglanilla, Cebu. Hi to guys sa akong mga kaliwat diya sa Guindaruhan, and my kababata, akong mga ka-playmate sa una, sila si Ani Kaday. Kami magtakyan mi sa una. And you know, before too, nag-west jud ko nga I can come to America to enjoy the snow, because we don't have this in the Philippines, correct? So here they are guys. Want you to enjoy it, you and me. Sa mga nature lover dyan, subscribe na kayo. I will show you more pictures of beautiful nature here and beautiful flowers soon, when the weather is nice, because Right now, it's still winter here in Chicago. But I just can't believe here before. A tons of fish. A tons of fish. And look at these footprints here. Can you imagine this big pond out here? Look at this. Look at the pond. Look at the nature. It's freezing right now. And I can't believe the fish is swimming there, staying there. Look at that. Beautiful trees. Fell on the pond. Right there. Hi, hi, hi. Hi sa mga ka-vloggers ko dyan. Shout out ni Kuan. Ging. Ging Official Inday. Okay, gang. And also, Panlasang Pinoy. I think we are neighbors here. We are living in close to they say area in the north suburb. I think you live somewhere on there. I'm from Wheeling, so here they are. As you see, the natures that give us to enjoy this. I'm not going on the log right now. I just show you, okay? I don't want to sink in there. Here they are. Ang ganda kaya. Super pretty here. Like big open space. Want you to enjoy, guys, the big open space and the white snow. And you know, it underneath of the snow are ice too, because 2 weeks ago we had a snowstorm, and then the temperature melt, and then the rain, and then temperature dropped, and then it snow. So there's some of the area they have ice, but I'm wearing my boots, snow boots. Alright, look at this one. See these trees? They look like they are dead. Parang patay sila, no? But buhay yan. Soon you're gonna see these beautiful greens, and we can do picnic here on summer. I used to go here and I walk around, but sometimes I don't want to walk by myself because it's safe, but we cannot 100% trust. You know, there's a lot going on around the world. A lot of people here biking, walking inside. I cannot go out there right now inside all this the forest preserve. I just stay on this area. Alright, guys, this is Jasmine Pinay here in Chicago. I hope you enjoy the mother nature that we have today. Thank you, Jasmine Pinay at Chicago. Please subscribe, follow, share, like, and also, you know, I think Saturday I'm gonna start packing for the box that I'm gonna share, because that's the main thing that I'm gonna do for my blog. I'm gonna pack all the stuff that I got from garage sale, donations, and pick up community, free pickup community. I'm gonna start sending it to you guys again. And again, thank you for watching. This is Jasmine Pinay. Thank you. Bye bye.